Hey guys, welcome to Lazy Buyer Open House, where you're feeling a little bit lazy or you got other plans. I bring the open house to you. Now today I got a spectacular one. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Seattle. And yes, I always say that. There's only really one neighborhood that I'm like, not too thrilled about in the Seattle, but this one's awesome. Wallingford. You're thinking to yourself, Wallingford, yeah, oh yeah, where is that? Well, let me show you really quick. So as you can see, we're only a stone's throw away from the U District. Down that street right there, you can maybe see way in the far back there. That's Lake Union. We're just very walkable distance to Gasworks Park. Now the home I'm gonna show you right now is a 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 1,151 square feet. That comes with its own parking spot. Great home. It's actually a brand new, basically brand new, because it was constructed in 2024. You have a lot of privacy here because you have the little gated door, and I'm gonna take you straight to the backyard if you wanna go straight to the backyard. And here you see, you have your own backyard that's totally fenced in, so you bring a pet. Pets are allowed. Or what I would do is add a door right there, right? In case you have a dog, whatever it may be, or little kids, you could kind of totally block this area right here. Now let me take you inside this house. You're gonna love it. Again, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 1,151 square feet. You're gonna see it's really, really laid out perfectly. It's awesome. Take you into the main door. I love it has these digital key locks there. Now, come into this main area right here, and you're gonna see the 3/4 bathroom with motion sensor lighting. I love that. It looks like W Hotel. Great floor. Look at this honeycomb floor tile. Now, here's one of the bedrooms. Barn doors right there. That's a bedroom. But this one does have the added advantage that it takes you to the backyard. Once again, you can see I love it when you see the neighbors. Look how nice this is. It's gonna be nice. We're in Wallingford, right? Well, I think Dave Matthews from Dave Matthews Band, I've always heard he lives here. I don't know, but if that's true, it's gonna be nice. We all love Wallingford. From what I understand, it's it's a very good school district. From what I understand. Here you go, guys. Washer dryer compacted into one. Nice. Now, I usually, when the bedroom's in the bottom floor, I'm kind of like, especially if you have kids. I get it. But it's spectacular for people, first-time home buyers with no children at the moment, and have a lot of people coming over and staying over. Maybe people that are visiting. I think it's spectacular, gives everybody a bit of privacy. All right, we zoom upstairs, and this is a very spacious, great area. You saw the living room right there. Beautiful kitchen. It's very sleek and modern. You have a tile backsplash, quartz countertops, very sleek, beautiful cabinets. All appliances stay there. You see refrigerator, microwave. It's just beautiful. The dishwasher right there behind the little island. And when you kind of come out here and kind of swing around, you see the panorama of this great living area. Wow, it's really beautiful. Lots of light. You're getting a lot of lights and a lot of privacy because you see the big trees right there. Pine trees from one of your neighbors, which has a spectacular house. But that's a beautiful thing about being in this area. There's one thing you need to know when it comes to real estate. Everything is negotiable. And in this case, this furniture, if you like it, seller is willing to negotiate for you to keep it. In fact, this island moves, it rolls. It stays with the house if you want. If not, they'll take it with them. So, but the rest of the furniture, everything's negotiable. One other cool thing Another cool thing about this place is that many splits, damn it, many splits. That's what all of my buyers, that's what all of you guys are looking for, especially for these warm weather days. And we still have it as we're getting closer to the month of October. Still warm day, but it has many splits, okay? Super nice, okay? Hardwood floors. So nice. You know one thing I do like it? Lots of windows. That's what I really, really like. I'm gonna take you upstairs here. This is the upper level. And this is your primary suite, ensuite little bathroom here. This is glamorous. This is super nice. I mean, if it wasn't nice, I'd be like, oh, look, here's a bathroom. But when it's nice, I say it. This is super nice. 3/4 motion sensor turns on the lights. Love the tile right there. Tastefully done with that rain shower type of shower head. Very nice, I love it. And then you have the primary bedroom with your mini split. I love that. That's like from Yo MTV Raps or Crib. My Cribs, I can't remember the name is MTV Cribs, I think that was called. Super nice. So you see the window. This tree gives a nice amount of privacy. I love that. I'll give you another look out here. So nice. So nice. All right. Now, one of my favorite things about Seattle is the rooftops. When I moved out here 15 years ago from South Florida, I'm like, rooftop decks on homes. We don't have it in South Florida. Like a chimney, I'm like, that's what a chimney looks like. Or a basement, that's what a basement. This one's really nice, guys. Check out this rooftop deck up here. Oh, the smell of this pine tree is fantastic. How about this? Guys, again, the furniture, negotiable. All this stuff is negotiable. We are here. So again, Gasworks Park is about 3 blocks that way. But your neighbor's taking care of everything. Super, super nice. You might see out in the distance, that's UW. That's the main building up there. There you see the I-5. Distance, you can see Lake Washington. And you can actually see to the east side. Really nice, no? Guys, another thing, just had somebody come and look at the place right now and ask, why is the seller selling? It's 2024. So the person barely lived here. So I was like, why are they getting out of it? Why are they escaping this house? Is something wrong? No, there's nothing wrong. Because you'd leave this place too if you had an opportunity to go live in Belgium. The sellers are moving to Belgium. That's why they're getting rid of this fantastic place. And it's a good opportunity to get out here and see a fabulous house in a highly sought after area. As we all know, it is Wallingford. If you guys need any help looking at this home, please reach out to me. All my information is down below. Again, I'm Julian Gonzalez. I'm a real estate broker with RSVP Brokers ERA. I'm more than happy to help you out with this home or any other home you're looking for in this market. Rates have gone down, guys. Buyers to, 6.25, 30-year fixed rate average across the country. So your buyers, your competition, not your buyers, but your competition, they're starting to apply for mortgages. That means once they get approved, they're going to get into the market and they're going to stick it to you. It's going to drive up prices. And I'm telling you right now, this is a good opportunity here in beautiful Wallingford. Good luck, guys, and I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.